Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to print a print quality report from a HP Officejet Pro 8610. Now this is nice and simple and can be done from the printer itself using the touchscreen on the front of the machine. Now these print quality reports are a great way of troubleshooting any print quality issues you're having and show very clearly where the issue should lie. So we start by dragging ourselves along until setup is exposed, marked with these cogs. And then from this screen we need to get ourselves all the way to the bottom until print reports is shown. Press to go into that. And the print quality report is the third option down. So in we go. And this will take your printer just a minute. Now the print head of this machine has some serious issues with it, but you should be looking at something like this. From here you should get a good idea as to where the print quality issue lies, as it shows black, cyan, magenta and yellow, the four colours that your printer uses. If any of these colour blocks aren't shown fully, there's probably a blockage in the print head, and I'd recommend with carrying on running some cleaning cycles from your machine, which we have a separate video for on our channel. Now I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let us know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, let us know down in those comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.